welcome to Nuola Cooks. My name is Wonuola. If it's your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone who might be needing this recipe. On today's video, I will show you how I made this yogurt marinated grilled chicken. If you are interested, please keep watching. For this recipe, you need chicken, which is our ingredient of the day, and I'm using chicken thighs. You can use any part of chicken that you prefer for this recipe. I like to remove the skin of my chicken because of its high cholesterol content. You can leave it on if you want, but I like to remove mine. So I'm going to remove all the skin of the chicken and I'm going to wash the chicken. Next, you need to add a cup of unsweetened yogurt to a bowl. I'm using Greek yogurt and you need to add all your seasonings to it. I'm using chicken seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, curry and thyme, salt, chicken spice, black pepper, dry pepper, also known as atagungun. Please check a list of all the ingredients used to season this chicken in the description box below. I have it all there. You can also add your most preferred seasoning to this recipe. For example, if you want your chicken to have a particular flavor or a particular taste, you can add that seasoning to it. This is the time to add all the seasoning that you want. Next, I'm going to mix all the ingredients together until it is well combined. So the pepper has to be combined very well. Not that we have some pepper in one side and no pepper or salt in one side. You need to combine it very well and then make incisions on your chicken just like I'm doing, so the marinades can go inside of the chicken. Next, you need to mix this chicken very well in a way that the yogurt can go inside of the chicken, and this is the reason why you need to make incisions on the chicken. It helps the yogurt to go inside of the chicken and it makes it really sweet. You can mix it with your hands, but I don't want to use my hands because of the pepper that I added in the chicken, but you can also wear a glove. You need to just mix it very well until it is well combined. Then you put it in the fridge to marinate. You can marinate for at least 2 hours. You can marinate for up to 24 hours. I marinated mine overnight. It's important that you know that the longer you marinate the chicken, the more delicious it will be. For instance, if you marinate for 1 hour, it can't be as delicious as if you marinate for 6 hours, but you can do whatever you like. But do not let it exceed 24 hours in the fridge. I marinated the chicken overnight in the fridge and I'm going to grill it for 15 minutes in the oven. I've been grilling the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you need to flip the chicken over to the other side. This procedure is very important. It makes the chicken visually attractive and it helps to ensure that both sides of the chicken are well cooked. If you don't do this procedure, you may notice that one side of the chicken is looking very nice and the other side is not looking very nice. So this procedure is really important. After 10 minutes, I'm spreading the remaining yogurt on top of the chicken, and this is just the remaining yogurt sticking to the bowl that I used to marinate this chicken. This procedure makes it look nice and attractive. So I'm going to do that and return it back to the oven to grill for 10 more minutes. This is the end result of the chicken, and as you can see, it looks very nice and it tastes very delicious. And I had mine with coconut fried rice. I have a coconut fried rice recipe on my channel. Please check it out. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.